Today I'm going to show you how you can take your smartphone and turn it into a webcam, so you can stream high quality videos without having to buy any expensive equipment. Okay, so here are what you need to get started. You need a computer, a charging cable, a smartphone, iOS or Android device. You could also connect wirelessly using your Wi-Fi network at home. In this video, we're going to be using the wireless method of connection. It will also help to have some sort of tripod hold like this to hold your phone. So it's going to be easy for you to mount it when you're using the webcam. Last but not the least, you need Arium, the webcam app, which is where all the magic happens. Here, in order to make your phone a webcam, you need to install the Arium app on your phone and on your computer. And don't worry, it's totally free. It works both on PC and Mac and on iOS and Android devices. But for the sake of time, I'm going to show you the rest of the steps. Keep watching. So let's get started by downloading Arium. Head to your Play Store and download the Arium app. Once you've downloaded the app, enable permissions for the app to use your phone's camera and microphone. Now on your computer, you need to download Arium. The link for that is in the description. Make sure you go to the official website, which is arium.com. And also make sure you download the right application. In this case, I'm going to be downloading the one for Windows. After downloading, what we need to do next is find the installer in our downloads folder, double click on it. You get a security pop-up which you agree to, and then just go on and install the app. And then once you got it installed, it should automatically launch. And if it doesn't, just go to your desktop and relaunch the app. So now what we need to do is go back to the phone, because as you can see at the moment, it says no phone available. And what you should also do as well is make sure your phone and your computer is using the same network. Then what you need to do is go and open up the Arium app on your phone. And just like that, as you can see, I'm now using my phone's camera as a webcam. If I flip it, it will switch to the front camera. As you can see, I'm sort of freestyling with holding it. So what I recommend doing is getting a tripod. So just to prove to you that it's been detected as a webcam, I'm going to open up the camera app on my computer. If you're having any connection problems with it not connecting, like I said before, make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network and try restarting the both devices. And if other people are using Arium on your network, you may need to go and select your device. So go and tap on the drop down menu and there will be a list. I've got just one because I'm the only one using it. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing, and after you subscribe, please drop a comment and like this video. Thank you.